Unraveling the Mysteries of Black Holes. As the universe continues to expand, physicists and astronomers explore the mysterious black hole domain in search of answers. The most recent findings and insights into these cosmic monsters are discussed in this documentary. Thanks to technological advancements in the last several years, astronomers have been able to see further into space than in the past. Their attention has shifted to black holes, mesmerizing astronomical phenomena from which not even light can escape the immense gravitational pull. However, what is beyond the horizon of events? For a long time, this subject has both perplexed and aroused scientists. More and more, recent findings are clarifying how these cosmic behemoths function. Gravitational wave detection was one of the most important advances. After two black holes collided in 2015, the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory, LIGO, achieved a historic first by detecting space-time ripples. Gravitational wave astronomy entered a new age with this revolutionary discovery, which validated a prediction made by Albert Einstein a century before. The complex interplay between black holes and the galaxies they reside in has been uncovered by yet another new finding. At the heart of galaxies, astronomers have seen supermassive black holes that eat up everything in their path and then release enormous bursts of energy. The structure and star formation of entire galaxies can be shaped by these jets, which in turn affect their evolution. There is new evidence that black holes aren't as cosmic vacuum cleaners as previously believed, according to experts. On the contrary, they could be instrumental in the process of star formation, whereby they recycle elements from their environment and sow the seeds of life across the cosmos. However, there are still numerous unresolved inquiries. What makes black holes tick, how they come to be, and what happens to them in the end are all mysteries. Our understanding of these mysterious cosmic beings is growing as a result of every new finding. Looking into space reminds us of the infinite wonders that lie beyond, propelling us forward in our pursuit of knowledge about the universe and our role in it. I hope you like the video. Subscribe to this channel for more informative stuff.